I've been having so much fun today with this $250 amazing deal on my 360 pass. I've decided to extend it by a few hours. Let me show you what's going on. So, I have a pass called the 360 pass inside of my Your First 5K club that just gives you an incredible amount of access to things. And you see people are really super, super excited about it. And all you have to do is go to the link below in the description and the pinned comment and use the code YT250K. And I'll put the code down there too. The letter Y, the letter T, the numbers, the 250, 250, and the letter K in the checkout as a coupon code. And you'll get it for just $250. It's normally $360. You're saving more than $100. But let me show you what it is in case you haven't seen it. We head into the classroom. So you'll get a free account with Your First 5K. You'll head into the classroom and you'll see the 360 pass here. Awesome free stuff in here if you can't afford that just yet. Go into the 360 pass and you will see all kinds of cool stuff. So you'll see a message from me. You'll know exactly what to do next. You'll get a compass and a handbook that helps you navigate. And then this is huge. Every single Tuesday, I meet with 360 Pass members every week since January of this year. And I give the replay and the chat here. So look at all of these topics we've talked about, including on Tuesday, yesterday. So you get every Tuesday with me for at least an hour. We usually go an hour and a half. That alone for a year, and it's a year from when you start. That alone is worth the 250, obviously, okay? And we go in, sometimes I look at your YouTube channel or your school or your checkout page. It's very, 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 very cool. The other thing you get a bunch of stuff. The other thing you get is you get a $360 discount coupon off of my yearly Authority X Pro, which is my most sophisticated AI, which I will show you in a moment what people are saying about Authority X Pro. So you get it for more than a third off for the year. Incredible. Just by being a member. You also have these tracks that we have. So tracks are sales, YouTube, AI, and community. And with each track, you have a section. So the YouTube track gives you the YouTube OS, which by itself is $99. It gives you the Revenue Challenge Replay, which by itself is $99. It gets you the whole course, Get Paid on YouTube from Day One, which is like a $200 course. And it gives you Authority OS. So everything you need to have a YouTube channel. Then you have the sales track, which has your first 5K challenge replay. It has this should be 1K actually. First dollar OS, Stan OS, sales flywheel. I mean, look at all this stuff. All of this costs money on its own. So you're just saving, 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 saving by buying one thing, and you get all of this. Like totally crazy stuff, like full operating systems. Okay. Very, very cool. I'll even show you one of these operating systems. Like, look, OS, the YouTube one. Look at this. This is nuts. You get all of this. You get a control, you get a channel setup, you get the channel creator, the video strategy, content pipeline, thumbnail lab, title lab, all of this. This is one of the things you get. This by itself is worth 250 easily. Okay? So then you have the sales track. I showed you all of that. How to this sales and conversion deep dive is like it's like what 300 $400. You get the AI track. You get all this stuff. You get all of it. The Lovable OS worth 250 by itself. The More Money with AI course, way more than 250 by itself. Prompt Shop in a Box costs $99 by itself. It is worth way more. AI Consultant OS is worth way more, et cetera, et cetera. Community. You get the school revenue 5-day challenge, $99 normally. You get school OS, which is free for everybody. You get the I Won the School Games course, which costs money. And you get the playback of your first million live, which cost me $100,000 to put on. And you get the whole playback with my notes and everything. And then you go back to these calls. So you get those calls one Tuesday with me, but then you get all these calls too. I wanted to save it for the last because it's so cool. You get a Sunday mindset call with BK. You get a sales call with Colin Yearwood, and he works with millionaires all day long. He's one of my top people that I work with when it comes to sales. You get a YouTube with Ty, Ty has more than 100,000 subscribers on a faceless channel. You get school with Allison Saunders, who helped me build my school for a year. You get AI with Nicole McCain, who has an entire suite of AI tools and things that she sells for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. And you get advanced growth with Camille. And Camille was at Dell for 10 years and has been doing this for 20 plus years. And she teaches you some advanced things when it comes to doing, very much so a lot of money. In fact, if I take you here and I do what I said I was going to do, which is talk to you about Authority X Pro, you might see Camille right here. So she said she closed $15,000 with Authority X Pro. That thing, that AI that you get 360 off of, she did a $15,000 close. So look at all of this stuff when I go to the Authority X Pro, how happy people are. Look at Chantel. She was able to raise 12,000 in fundraising and sponsorship. She had a 1K speaking gig and she turned it into a 10K sponsorship. All of this is through AXP. She's talking about it right now. All of it's through AXP. So that's just part of what you get. Authority X Pro just completed, and wow, $9,000 booked, 3,000 made in 24 hours. AXP for the win. Made $199, 60 days offer. Like everything. It's so. I did it. Big win at 72. At 72, she used Authority X Pro. Goes on and on. So Authority X Pro, just so you're not confused, is my most sophisticated AI, and it's on a different site, authorityxpro.com. It costs today $997 per year. Well worth it. When you get the $250 360 pass, you get $360 off Authority X Pro if you want to get it. I mean, it's just really, really awesome. An awesome bundle. You can think of it as a bundle, but it's a bundle plus all of these expert calls. So those are office hours, by the way. You don't have to go to all of those. You just drop in on whatever topic you want to when they're going, and you can just kind of have that throughout the year, like it's an academy. So congratulations, you saw this video before it's deleted. Go get your stuff. Remember, rewind to see what the code is or look below to see what the code is. You have to type in that code to get the discount. Do this before I close this out. I'm closing it out soon, just a few hours from now. Go, go, go. See you soon.